Alright, hey guys, so today I have a haul for you, which you see right here, and then I have 6 new wallets. So these tapes are Roy G. Biv, Neon Shades. I think this one's really cool. I love both of these. White, just plain white, gold, chrome, and Realtree camo, which I opened but I didn't use yet. So those are the tapes. And then, so now, the wallets, I have this ladybug, red, and then just basic layout, my basic, which is 3 pockets, pocket above, ID, and 2 hiddens. And then, now all the wallets have this price sticker thing on it, so it comes off really easily. And yeah. So that, then I have the skulls, blue, and then just my basic, again, ID, yellow behind it, obviously, 2 hiddens, and a sticker. Then I have sports one, orange, billfold, 3 pockets, pocket above, ID, 2 hiddens, same layout, and basically price. So that. And I'm not sure if I came up with these color combos or not. People probably have used them before, but I just haven't seen them. Okay. Now, this camo by the Tape It brand. And the billfold is dark green and black. And then just my basic layout, green, behind the ID, 2 hiddens, and the price, and back to me, yeah. Just that. Okay, then I have this leopard, and purple and gray, and just my basic layout, $4. And all these wallets are super thin. I forgot to say that before. Yeah, so that. And lastly is the Superman wallet, which I just finished making like I don't know, half hour ago. So it's all Superman, red, and then just my basic layout. 2 hiddens, ID, yellow behind it, and the price, $4. Okay, so those are all the things that I wanted to show you. That's all scarshness. So those are all the things I want to show you in this video. So, yeah, that's basically it. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye, everyone.